Hi, I'm Jim Pink of MarineMax Lake Norman. Today let's look at a 2020 Solstice 230 by Harris. To be reached here at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. This 230 Solstice, powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine, has a step back here that flips down in the water. Allows you to put on a wakeboard or just sit in the water and relax. Has a real nice 4-step boarding ladder, real wide stainless steel. As you'll notice, it has a real large extended rear deck. Has the chain link fence that allows you to sit on the sun lounger in the back while underway. This is in the black, this is in the blue with the black accent on the outside. Nice touches in the upholstery. Has the upgraded JL audio system. Has a large ski locker on the floor. Simrad chart plotter. Nice high back captain's chair with armrests. Swivels and reclines. Has a large 12-foot bimini top. Give you plenty of shade while you're out on the hot water. Moving up to the bow, you have seating on port and starboard sides. Bow door also has an entry door on the port side as well. Armrests with cup holders on each side. This is the 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. If you'd like to come by and see us, take a look at this 230 Solstice, 704-997-2168. Look forward to working with you.